this up here. Okay. I just wrote 2 songs. Let's see. A harmonica intro. Oh, afloat boat shallow, captain out to water. 2 guard keepers at the salt shake border to a land unknown. You can't turn bread into midnight stone. No, you can't turn bread into midnight stone. Oh, and I hear, pray tell, the root of the pine is down by the pawn shop, lemons and limes. Lemons and limes. Down by the pawn shop, lemons and limes. Oh, and now the diva do possess a catty curb smile. She been to the island but once in a while, and the table turning gospel words to wisdom. If it ain't done told, you don't have to listen. If it ain't done told, you don't have to listen. Oh, and I hear, pray tell, the root of the pine is down by the pawn shop, lemons and limes. Oh, and I hear, pray tell, the root of the pine is down by the pawn shop, lemons and limes, lemons and limes. Segue into the second song. She got a wide brim hat, to govern her way. Oh, high heel travel night away today to the man clearing mist from Apple Juggle Street. And tell him the prayer, safe keep weak away. Oh, my. Lands to discover is what I see. And 3 kings are talking, jewels to trial over hill and valley, and plowshare sword to trains all aboard. Oh yeah, planes, plowshare sword to trains all aboard. She got a wide skirt world in a hometown world, and she says to the man for hire. You know what she said? She said, light my fire, let the smoke rise high. In a 1-room saxophone prayer, take a girl in the hometown world. I'm a 1-room saxophone prayer, take girl in a hometown world. That's what she said. And there are 3 kings talking, jewel the trowel, over hill and valley and plowshare sword. The train all aboard. Yes, the train all aboard. Oh, 3 kings talking, jewels to trowel, over hill and valley, the plowshare sword, the train all aboard. Yeah, the train all aboard. God bless and have a great day, everybody.